Hello everybody, this is Abirambika Ravivarman and I am here to unbox our November month Lifefulness box. And what's exciting about November? Definitely because it's a festive month, a Diwali special box. And as you can see from the box, what we've done is given it a little festive look. If you notice, the golden polka dots are giving that little shimmer and festive. So let me show you what and all we have for this month. And for the ones who are seeing this for the first time, this is a specially curated box for women, for wellness of women. And I am a life coach and I believe that women's wellness is priority for them. So this box would aid that, and we've tried every month on month. We put in a lot of goodies, and it's definitely a box which is something fun, something to eat, something to take care of your emotional well-being, to take care of your personal development. This is something that you can blindly look forward to with all those. And to start off with, we have our coaching. So this month is about celebrating. How do you celebrate yourself? How do you really acknowledge everything that is great about you, all your strengths? And that's this month's coaching topic. And once you do this worksheet, once you do this reflective activity, you will realize a lot about you, we are sure. So definitely try this out and let us know. Okay, so like I said, this is Diwali, so we will start off with a sweet. So we've put in a small box of gulab jamuns for you, so enjoy with your family. Have a great Diwali. Wishing you all a very, very happy Diwali again. So let's see what else is there. Okay, so these are sweat pads. I mean, you must be using them. This is such a boon, because with clothes that we spend a lot of money, and then especially when we are out in the Diwalis doing all of those celebration, this is like a real savior for the clothes. So I use them because clothes like silk and all of that tend to wear out a lot faster. So this is useful. So this is one of our Diwali special items for you. And another one is this. I don't know how many of you know about it. This is a medicine, and it's called the Diwali Legium. Here, that's what it's like the something which is made only during Diwali. It has a lot of things which can help in your digestion. So at home, generally here, what they do is they give us a bit of this in the morning before we start having all the sweets, so that it takes care of our tummy. And this is really helpful. I think in our house we've been having these from long ago. I've been using this and it's very helpful, so we wanted to give it to you too. Okay, and another small Diwali earring. So just to give you that, and it's made out of cloth, so it's fun, it's very light. You can see I'm wearing something very similar to it, but this can probably go with your dress or something. We thought we will give you that. Okay, the next one is this micellar water. This is a cleanser. This is quite famous now. A lot of people use them, and if you have to quickly get home, clean your face, and then get into making some food from or you're going out somewhere and you want to quickly rinse your face, you don't want to go and use water, or you don't have a space where you can use water, all you need is a small cotton bud and then this. So this is very helpful and really cleanses your face a lot. Okay, yes, so this is something very small, tiny and cute. If you see, there's a small tortoise. It's a coin pouch. So usually during Diwali, a lot of people do a lot of puja, and then they do Lakshmi puja, they do a lot. So they say a tortoise is a good omen, or it's something good. So we thought, why not, when you do your puja and then put in a probably small coin, so it's like a small coin pouch, you could start using this post Diwali. So we wanted to give you this. Okay, yes, and this is nothing to do with Diwali, but this is to do with you. We wanted to help you, so we've put in a small cutter. If you see, it has a small lock, and once you release the lock, it's a very good cutter. and because of this small thing here, you can just keep the vegetables and go chop really fast. Sometimes when you don't have the time to sit and do a salad or something which you want to do fast, this is very useful. This also has these holes, if you see, for your greens, for your coriander, for your mint. All you have to do is just pull it through this and the leaves will fall off. So it's quite helpful. So we thought you could probably use this to make things little faster. Okay, and then the next one is this. A fun stuff. If you see here, we've given, last month we gave you in the box nails, so those fake nails which you can flaunt, Now we've given you some nail colors, but the different and the beauty about these nail colors are these can change color when it is exposed to sun. So if you are wearing these, so there is a blue glitter one, there is a green metallic, and there is a matte. So we've given you 3 colors, and all of these colors change when it is exposed to heat. So it's super fun to just watch that gradient finish in your nails. So definitely try this out, tag us, and show us how this is fun and exciting for you. So this is 3 colors which we have given you, and the last, DIY. There is no month without DIY with us, right? So this month DIY is Diyas. How can we have Diwali without Diyas? So we've given you 6 of these nice big Diyas. Along with it, you have these cotton ones, and we've also given you a brush and 3 colors. So you can make this Diwali Diyas fun. You can color them on your own. There is gold, there is other 2 metallic colors. So you have 3 nice colors to paint these in your own style. And this is like you doing something and celebrating Diwali in your own way. So just try this out. I'm sure you're going to have some fun with this. So this is the Diwali box. Hope you enjoyed. We have lot of goodies. And the next month, the December month box, is also another fun box. It has a lot of December celebrations, which is your Christmas and New Year celebration box. So don't miss the box. Do order the December box and you will be surprised with what and all we have for that month. So see you soon. Enjoy your festival. Enjoy Diwali. Celebrate as much as you can and have a lot of fun. See you soon. Bye bye.